Nozzle packing box of handheld laser welding head. Copper nozzle C, used for external corner welding without wire feeding. Copper nozzle AS12, universal for wires below 1.2 mm, used for flat, internal, and external corner welding. Copper nozzle BS16, universal for wires below 1.64 mm, used for flat, internal, and external corner welding. Copper nozzle CS12, used for external corner welding, universal for wires below 1.2 mm. Copper nozzle ES12, used for welding thin tubes at external corners, universal for wires below 1.2 mm. Copper nozzle FS16, used for wire feeding welding at external corners, universal for wires below 1.6 mm. Copper nozzle AS20, used for flat, internal, and external corner welding, universal for 2 mm wires. Cutting copper mouth, used for cutting by handheld welding machine.
High-tech signage solution.